To change ringtone on Pixel 10a, you can easily do that by opening the settings, and now you will have to go for a sound and a vibration. Now as you can see over here, we can find a ringtone settings. So we get a few options. First one, we can pick the sound collections. If you want to get some kind of the natural sound, you can go here, pick the sound that you want to test, listen to that sound, and click save in the right upper corner. You can also set a custom sound by picking from My Sounds. So previously you have to just download something on your phone, and if it will be available here, then you can mark it and click save. But also we can click plus in the right bottom corner and, for example, import sounds from your Google Drive, from your phone storage, from downloads, or for example from your voice records. And you have to click save at the top, and that's pretty much it for this video.